My first guest tonight is a real hero. Charming, superb and extremely talented. टैलेंट की सबसे अच्छी बात यही होती है कि उसको अप्रिशिएट करने वाले किसी खित्ते, किसी बाउंड्रीज तक महदूद नहीं रहते, बल्कि उसकी अप्रिसिएशन दुनिया भर में होती है. He is one of the biggest stars of our region, and I'm extremely happy to have him here with me this evening. Step right in, Ajay Devgan. Oh, Ajay, how are you, darling? अजय, शुक्र है तुम आ गए. आज मैं बहुत उदास हूँ. जानते हो क्यों? तुम्हारी आंखें, तुम्हारी स्माइल, you resemble him so much. Do you believe in reincarnation? You do? It's wonderful to have you here, and I know it's your first time in Pakistan. कैसा लगा मेरा मुल्क?
Very nice. कल ही आया मैं, and I think a country is what the people are all about, and जितना यहाँ के लोगों के बारे में सुना था और हॉस्पिटैलिटी के बारे में सुना था, उससे बहुत ज़्यादा कल एक दिन भी नहीं हुआ मुझे आए, और गॉट मोर देन व्हाट आई एक्सपेक्टेड, एंड आई थिंक पीपल आर ग्रेट, लवली हियर, एंड I'm happy that I'm here for Kara, and I got a reason. I always wanted to come here, and I'm here.
I'm so glad, sweetie, and you know I represent the 170 million people of Pakistan. I'm the best of Pakistan, really. I combine the best of Pakistan all in me, really. And you're right, you know, here you get more than you can ever expect, you know. So जो भी चाहोगे उससे बढ़कर ही पाओगे. Did you ever realize in India कि आपकी फिल्म ओम कारा पाकिस्तान में भी इतनी अप्रिशिएट की जाएगी?
नहीं, इसके बारे में सोचा भी नहीं था, और we keep hearing about things, but as I said कि कल मैं पहली बार आया, and पहली बार जो रिएक्शन देखा और जो लोगों का रिस्पांस देखा है, very very I'm thankful to them, and made you feel so nice that it was just great. I have no words for it.
I'm so glad. Are you a risk taker, Ajay? Do you believe in taking risks? Do you believe कि कोई बड़ी चीज हासिल करने के लिए इंसान should be ready for?
I really don't know कि कोई बड़ी चीज हासिल करने के लिए आपको रिस्क लेना चाहिए या आप I don't know if it's a risk, but I just follow my heart. What I think is right, I go ahead and do it. उसमें फिर फायदा हो, नुकसान हो, फिर वो ठीक है, देखी जाएगी.
Oh God, he used to always follow his heart too, sweetie, and I used to follow his heart too. You're so much like him. You're so much like him, Ajay. मुझे लगता है कि मेरी प्रार्थना स्वीकार हो गई. Really, अजय, तुम्हें देखकर मुझे लगता है कि मेरी विजय होगी. मैं भी जीतूंगी. I won't be such a loser. हाँ? अच्छा खैर. Talking of your films, you started, और तुम्हारी जो एक बहुत कमाल बात थी वो ये that you always, and you started as an action hero, and you would perform your own stunts. कभी चोट लगी?
बहुत चोटें लगी, और I think I've practically broken every bone in my body, but that's part of the game. और जब when we used to do stunts, तब you know the safety measures और जो टेक्निक है वो इतनी ज़्यादा आगे नहीं थी, तो अब अगर कोई जंप भी मार रहा है तो it's cable work and things like this, and there are airbags, so we actually jump from 3 floors, 4 floors, and on those boxes and things like this. But now it's I think very good.
You're so cute, really, and shy also. I like men who are shy, you know. That way I can do so much more, really, without the fear कि आगे से कोई जवाब आएगा. I like my men to be quiet. Your father was a director also. कभी ये सोचा, did you always want to be an actor? Was it something that happened by fluke?
My father was an action director, and it was always कि whatever I become in life, it would be something in the film industry, because that was my only exposure. I mean, it was school, college, and films, and I used to go with him on the sets. I started editing with him when I was very young, and then I became an assistant director. I used to make my own films. I was more inclined to the to the direction side of it. My father always wanted me to be an actor, and I was happy, on being the other side. Till one day I was Kukuji, my first film's director, came up one day and told my father that I'm starting a film and I want your son. And I was just taken aback. I was 19 and I said, I'm enjoying life. I don't want to get into it. I don't even know if I can do it. I didn't even know that I was prepared. And they practically forced me into it. And within 20 days, I started shooting. And the attitude in my first film was also कि अगर चल गई तो ठीक है, नहीं चली तो I'll go back to what I actually wanted to do. And
which was what?
Which is Phular Kaante.
Phular Kaante. No, but what did you actually want to do?
I was into direction. I was into.
But you would have been in film business in.
Yeah,
any
definitely,
case, yes.
definitely, because nothing else I know. And वो film चल गई फिर. So here I am.
Mashallah. But initially you were an action hero. हर फिल्म के अंदर डिशम and all of that really. मुझे तो बड़ा डर भी लगता था. I'm not मुझे aggressive किस्म के मर्द बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं है. But then came in हम दिल दे चुके सनम, and it completely changed your image. Completely. How was that experience, and how was working with Sanjay Leela Bhansali?
Very nice. I think Sanjay is a very, very sensitive director, and he's proved himself in the last couple of films. So हम दिल दे चुके सनम आई, उससे पहले प्यार तो होना ही था.
प्यार तो होना ही था.
So those two films worked in a very big way, and both were not action films. So I guess I was lucky to have the right kind of scripts with the right kind of directors, and they worked.
एक तुम्हारी फिल्म मुझे बहुत पसंद है, and that is इश्क. I thought it was such a funny film. I kept laughing and laughing. डर रही थी कि कहीं हार्ट अटैक ही ना हो जाए. And फिर मैं तुम्हें सू भी ना कर सकती कि तुम्हारी वजह से मुझे हार्ट अटैक हुआ है. And इश्क, you had Kajol acting with you. Then प्यार तो होना ही था. तो ये इश्क की इब्तिदा इश्क से हुई कि इससे पहले ही हो चुकी थी?
पहले ही हो चुकी थी.
अच्छा. I have to know, how did you meet her first?
I just met her on the sets, and we just got along very well. And I can't pinpoint where what happened, when what happened. We just.
इतनी आसानी से हो गया. अब देखो ना, मुझे भी ड्राइंग रूम में मिलो ना मेरे, तो अब आगे nobody has to know what happened and how happened, and Kajol will definitely never find out, darling. I promise you that. I know how to protect people's privacy. I mean, I know. I don't want to be a homebreaker. And then I'm in Pakistan. She's in India. I mean, she'll be cool with it, no?
You have to ask her.
No, but I tell you the problem with our men, really. And when I say our men, I mean Indians and Pakistani men. I mean the men of this region, really. एक तो वो क्या जो macho बनने की कोशिश करते रहते हैं, their masculinity gets challenged every time. Every guy. I thought कि मैं इसको thinking when I kiss this frog, he'll turn into a prince. But every prince I ever kissed turned back into a frog. Men here are so insecure when it comes to women, really. You're not the type, are you?
What do you mean by insecure?
मतलब मर्द यहाँ पे insecure होते हैं, खासतौर पे अपनी औरतों के मामले में. They tend to be possessive. They want to protect their women. They don't have that faith in their women.
I don't think that's true. That's not with men. That's with generally with it's just the human nature that you want something, you get it, you want to own it until you have it. So.
But वो नहीं कहते कि जी when you love somebody you should set them free, and if the love is true they'll always come back to you.
बहुत कुछ कहते हैं. पहले तो लव का मतलब ही समझ में आ जाए लोगों को, और हम लोगों को तो
समझाओ ना मुझे लव का मतलब.
मैं खुद समझने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ.
आता अभी तक लव सिर्फ एक लफ्ज लगता है मुझको. I mean you've been showing so much of it in your films for all your heroines. और तुम्हारी heroines में क्या बात है जो मुझ में ना हो? हाँ, मैं भी पाकिस्तान की हीरोइन हूँ, नंबर 1. वैसे ये जोड़ी काफी मैच करेगी. हाँ, सुपरस्टार. हाय, इंडियन सुपरस्टार with Pakistan's most sought after lady, really. How do you feel about India-Pakistan relationship, really? The political relationship.
I know nothing about politics, and I'm not even interested much in politics. I think for me, relationship between India and Pakistan is all about people. It's all about us, and which is really fine. I mean, you meet people all over the world, and there is, you don't see a lot of difference between Indians and Pakistanis. I mean, when you're in London or anywhere, and you're treated the same way. And so I think the relationship depends not on politics; it depends on us, we people. And as long as we are
But
fine,
you know,
everything is
Ajay,
fine.
I understand you don't like politics, you know, and I know this is not the forum really, but you have come from India, and I'm very fond of you, and I think we are people, and we should be talking about stuff. हम नहीं बात करेंगे तो कौन करेगा? You know, मेरा दिल बड़ा कटता है. Every time something goes wrong in your country, every time, you know, it's blamed on my boys, it's blamed on my children.
But depends, na? I just said that it's not the people who are blaming it. It's the day I understand politics, I'll speak about politics.
I know it's never the people because I feel that people हमारे दिल एक दूसरे के साथ जुड़े हैं. हमने कभी कोई फर्क महसूस नहीं किया. You know, for me, I relate to you as much as I would relate to any, or probably more than I would relate to any actor from my film industry. अच्छा, काजल फिल्मों में अब बहुत कम नजर आती है. You know,
And she's very
after
selective.
her wedding, after her marriage, or after your
It's her
marriage.
choice. She's selective. She gets very excited about a film. She would go ahead and do it. Otherwise, it's her decision basically.
तुम्हारी तरफ से कोई पाबंदी नहीं.
जी नहीं, बिल्कुल नहीं. अगर होती तो फिर she wouldn't be doing what she's doing also, ना.
But you know, it's always difficult for two stars when they get married or when they start sharing a life because both have दोनों की अपनी एक entity, अपनी एक पहचान होती है. So what are the kind of compromises one has to make the
I
to
don't
keep the
think
marriage going?
there are a lot of compromises. I think you have to understand yourself. You have to understand the other person, and you just have to be fair enough, and things are fine. I mean, there are not much complications. You complicate them yourself. So if you understand the other person and you accept things the way they are, I think everything is fine.
ये एक कल्चर की बड़ी प्रॉब्लम रहती है. You know, आजकल स्पेशली विद इंडियन फिल्म्स एक जो चीज़ नज़र आ रही है और एक जो इल्ज़ाम पाकिस्तान में ख़ास तौर पे इंडियन फिल्म्स पे या इंडियन चैनल्स की तरफ लगता है दैट इंडिया हैज़ लॉस्ट ट्रैक ऑफ इट्स कल्चर. जो चीज़ अभी डिपिक्ट की जा रही है इवन ऑन द स्टार प्लस के ड्रामों में या फिल्मों के अंदर द काइंड ऑफ ड्रेसेस योर गर्ल्स आर वेयरिंग, दैट इज़ नॉट इंडियन कल्चर. दैट्स एन एवरेज इंडियन इज़ नॉट, you know, that way. Is that true really?
I don't think so. I think you find everything, all kind of films, all kind of cultures. There is definitely an influence of the Western culture, but I don't think you can stop that, and you have no right to stop it. Also, it's your own decision, it's your own choice.
Absolutely,
I mean, it depends
sweet.
from individual to individual what they want to do and how they want to be.
और मैं तो हमेशा एक बात कहती हूँ कि कल्चर, हेरिटेज और अ मैटर ऑफ फेथ रियली यू हैव टू फील देम. और वो बेसिक्स होते हैं जो दिल के अंदर होते हैं.
Exactly.
वो जबरी मुशक्कत से नहीं आप अचीव. यू कांट फोर्स पीपल.
You can't force
You can't force people. It's about discovering your own self and
True.
being an individual really.
True.
हाँ, खाने में क्या पसंद है? वेज, नॉन वेज?
Non-veg.
Non-veg. Non-veg completely. Hey sweetie, thank God I got some nice stuff cooked for you. अभी खाएंगे थोड़ी देर में. पहले मैं तुम्हारे से अपना दिल तो भर लूं. आप लोग कहीं जाइएगा नहीं. We'll be taking a short break. अजय देवगन मेरे साथ हैं, मेरे साथ रहेंगे हमेशा. तो आप लोग कहीं ना जाइएगा. We'll be right back. Young lady, really. How do you feel about India-Pakistan relationship, really? The political relationship.
I know nothing about politics, and I'm not even interested much in politics. I think for me, relationship between India and Pakistan is all about people. It's all about us, and which is really fine. I mean, you meet people all over the world, and you don't see a lot of difference between Indians and Pakistanis. I mean, when you're in London or anywhere, and you're treated the same way, and so I think the relationship depends not on politics, it depends on us, we people, and as long as we are
But
fine,
you know,
everything is
Ajay,
fine.
I understand you don't like politics, you know, and I know this is not the forum really, but you have come from India, and I'm very fond of you, and I think we are people, and we should be talking about stuff. हम नहीं बात करेंगे तो कौन करेगा? You know, मेरा दिल बड़ा कटता है. Every time something goes wrong in your country, every time, you know, it's blamed on my boys, it's blamed on my children.
But depends, na? I just said that it's not the people who are blaming it. It's the day I understand politics, I'll speak about politics.
I know it's never the people because I feel that people हमारे दिल एक दूसरे के साथ जुड़े हैं. हमने कभी कोई फर्क महसूस नहीं किया. You know, for me, I relate to you as much as I would relate to any, or probably more than I would relate to any actor from my film industry. Welcome back. I'm in conversation with Ajay Devgan. How do you like my sari? Nice.
Very nice.
Thank you, sweetie. You know, all my clothes are like barbed wire. They protect the property, but do not obstruct the view. You know how it is very important. अच्छा, कंपनी तुम्हारी एक फिल्म जो हमें देखकर ऐसा भी लगा that it was a little ahead of its time really. It was a groundbreaking film. People loved company. क्या तुम जानते थे जब फिल्म साइन की, जब शूट कर रहे थे कि ये फिल्म इतनी सक्सेसफुल होगी, लोग इतना पसंद करेंगे?
देखिए, सक्सेस के बारे में तो पता नहीं होता, वो तो फिल्म रिलीज होने के बाद ऑडियंस डिसाइड करती है कि फिल्म उनको पसंद आई कि नहीं आई। सोच के तो यही की जाती है हर फिल्म के, आप डिसाइड करते हैं कि ये फिल्म आप कर रहे हैं क्योंकि आपको लगता है कि फिल्म अच्छी बनेगी, आपको लगता है कि फिल्म अच्छी है और लोगों को पसंद आएगी। जहाँ तक कंपनी का सवाल है, आई रियली हैव अ लॉट ऑफ फेथ इन राम गोपाल वर्मा एंड द वे ही मेक्स हिज फिल्म्स। सो व्हेन ही नरेटेड मी दिस, आई हैड अ लॉट ऑफ फेथ इन द फिल्म एंड आई ऑलवेज थॉट दैट इट वुड वर्क।
But you know, one thing I must say after watching most of your films really is that you have very good judgment, you know, because all the characters you've portrayed, all the films you've done really, it seems that those characters were tailor-made for you. Like ek to obviously you're a talented and a versatile actor, but then obviously you must have it somewhere at the back of your mind while saying yes to a certain character, whether you will be able to do justice to it or not.
Yeah, but you do make mistakes sometimes, and that's fair enough. You learn from your own mistakes. And I guess I've been lucky also to, as I said, to get the right kind of different characters with the right kind of directors, because you know, things can really go wrong, and a lot of people just try very hard to do different kind of characters and get stuck into a rut, which is not playing the same characters. So I just guess I'm lucky here.
हाँ, तो मैंने सोचा आज हिंदुस्तान का इतना बड़ा स्टार मेरे यहाँ आ रहा है, तो पाकिस्तान की तरफ से भी कोई बड़ी स्टार होनी चाहिए ताकि बैलेंस ऑफ पावर जो है वो खराब ना हो, you know. And I always strive to create the perfect balance, sweetie. I'm आप सबके लिए and for you, a very very dear friend, somebody who's my personal favorite really, you know. She's here and I'm sure you'll be very pleased to meet her. Step right in, Baniza Ahmed. Darling, how are you doing, bitch?